Hi guys, here we have an experiment and we're going to create colorful rain in a glass.
These are the things that we need.
Get closer.
A stick.
To stir.
Yes. 2 glasses. Fill up 1 with water, any kind of food coloring, and vegetable oil.
In this glass we're going to pour the oil.
Yeah.
Okay? So kids, do this at home with mommy or daddy. Don't do it by yourself. Just pour some oil. I got this oil at Dollar Tree for $1.
Well, I can already see stuff.
Just for the experiment. It's pretty much a glass and some. So now let's pour the food coloring. Yes. Right now we're gonna pour the food coloring.
You go first.
Go ahead, it's fine. Pour. Pour. Drop. Come on, keep dropping. Don't with this hand. You're covering it. Okay, leave it there in the plate. My turn. Some green.
Let me do the red.
Why is it not going down?
It's slipping. It's gonna.
No, this one stayed up. That's weird.
Okay. If you put on the green, then it'll fall.
Alright, now we're gonna stir it. Alright, stir it. Look at that.
Then we put it in the water. Oh. What's gonna happen? It's gonna.
So we got a bigger glass of water because in order to pour this in there, you need a bigger glass of water. So get a bigger glass of water because when you pour this oil on top of there, you are going to need it so it doesn't overflow and make a mess. So now we're going to stir this. Keep stirring it.
What's happening?
This is called a colorful rain. Whoa.
Looks cool.
Look at that.
Okay, you do it. You have to.
Yeah, I'm gonna pour it. Hold on. The battery's about to die. But we didn't put much colorful stuff. So have as many colorful food coloring. Now we're gonna pour it.
What? Oh no, oh no.
That's what's going on.
What's going on? Oh. Oh, let's see something.
That. What happened there? This is the oil, this is the water.
Oh, it's coming, it's
So
coming. Whoa.
it's the colorful rain. Raindrops.
Well, it's not that much color.
It's falling. You have to give it time. See, just wait. See, it's falling beautiful now. The battery's about to die. Go turn that music off. Beautiful. And here you have it, folks.
Wow.
Friends. Rain, rain, colorful rain.
It actually looks
So
like
as many food coloring that you have, different colors, pour them because that's what you're going to get. You're gonna get colorful rain.
looks blue almost. Oh,
Yeah.
there's red. There's red coming.
Look at that. Oh yeah, the red is falling now.
Enough
You
to
still have the oil that's not Look at that. So pretty. How about that?